everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here at the Natural Transplants DC office, and we are excited. We have Yari here today.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming in. You're coming in from Maryland?
Yes,
Maryland.
Jopa.
Okay. So we're gonna have a real fun day today, I can tell.
Yes.
All right, if you wouldn't mind, thank you for doing this for everybody, first of all. If you wouldn't mind sharing your story with everybody, why you're here, how you found us, that sort of thing.
So for years I've always struggled with my hair thinning, and I've had lots of lack of confidence, I would say, growing up. I'm a very confident woman, but that's one thing that's really a problem for me. And I had problem leaving my hair out, and I'm like, I need to work on this. So for years I've been researching.
Yeah. 10 years, you
10
said.
years
10
I was
researching.
trying to work on another company, and
Right.
then I just didn't see people that look like me. And then I bumped into your page in January. I'm like, okay, at least I can see someone that look like me, and I have more confidence in working with you people. So that's how I just got on the call, and I signed the contract, not even 3 months out.
10 years to get
10
you here.
years, and then I found you guys
That's
3
good.
months, and I signed, and here I am. And
awesome.
I'm really hopeful and excited.
Me too. I'm excited too. I appreciate that. I'm honored to be part of your journey. Thank you so much. I'm gonna have Saul zoom in. So obviously we have the edges, probably a little bit of combination between traction and genetic hair loss. And we're gonna put her edges back and have a good day today.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Excited?
Excited.
Okay, excellent. So we'll draw it all out, come back, do a little bit of shave, and then we'll come back and do another video before we start. Sound good?
Sounds
awesome, great. All right, we are back with Yari. She is a little giggly. She's got the volume kicked in. We drew out the line. We're super happy with it. We have a 4 out of 4 voting yes for this. So I'm gonna have Saul, if you wouldn't mind zooming in here. So drew out the line. She wants to keep her forehead line where the hairline where it sort of was. So we're not bringing it down any further than sort of the original hairline. Questionable whether we can get the back corners here. If we are going to be a little short, we're going to spread it out just to cover it, even though that may decrease the density. So we've sort of discussed that, and that's what we've discussed and agreed upon. So we're going to go for the bit for extra strip and try to fill it all in. You ready?
Yes.
All right. You excited?
Very excited.
Okay, let's do it. All right, Dr. Blumenthal back with Yari. Good job. We all finished. Congratulations. Be honest with everybody. Tell everybody how the day went.
It went well. Honestly, I thought I was going to be here till 6, and everyone was on deck. And from the start to finish, it went really smoothly, better than I thought.
Good.
I didn't feel any discomfort.
Good.
I got a good lunch.
You had a good lunch. Some Chick-fil-A today.
Yes,
Good.
and overall, I had the best experience. Honestly, not even trying to be biased. It was really smooth from the beginning. You walked in, pre-op. So the moment, everything, I knew everything. Like you kept me in the loop of everything from the beginning to the end, and I really love that.
Awesome.
And I wish I can come back.
I'd love to see you again, but hopefully you won't have to come back for another transplant. But we can hang out anytime. That's fine.
Right. So I really had a great experience.
Good.
And this is anyway, if I have a lot of people that can come in, I'll bring all of them.
We'll have a party anytime you come in. Well, you were a joy to work with. It was a lot of fun. We had a good time. I'm gonna
I already look good.
What's that?
I already look good.
I know. I was gonna say you're one of the few people that actually look fantastic afterwards. I'm gonna just show off our work today, and I love the line. Looks beautiful.
It is.
A little bleeding on that part, but we just leave that there. We don't mess around with it. Looks awesome.
Thank
so
you.
Natural on you. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So welcome to the family.
Yes.
Any words of advice for anybody out there that's been like you spent 10 years searching, found us 3 months later, booked it. But what would you advise somebody looking around and sort of debating?
I will say, aside in terms of the financial cost, just save.
Right.
And go through your page, look at people that look like them, because mostly that's the concern. Like, am I going to get this result?
Exactly.
Just go through it and just try to take a step towards that confidence. There is nothing better than having a full head where you can leave it at any time. You can choose to go bald. You can choose to leave your hair. At any point in time, just get on and get that confidence. That's all that matters. So
I can't wait if we could snap our fingers and have a year go by.
I'll definitely come by and come on, take a picture.
Can't wait to see it. Thank you for doing this. Hopefully you inspire someone out there. We'll follow along and see you in a year, okay?
Yeah.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.